Hello, it's Cody 3751, and of course there is another unboxing today. But you know what? This may take a while, so I'm gonna go ahead and skip the next part at the snap of my fingers. Okay, let me just put this guy right here for a minute. Here we go. Did you think I was joking? This all was included in the box. Okay, guys, it's time for doing the unboxing. Alright, let's take care of all the train cars first. Anyway, let's get to the unboxing of this car, which is called a Railogram, which I never heard of. Looks like some novelty thing. I have no idea. Let's find out. Let's try opening it. Anyway, so this is the car. Railogram. Never heard of it. Seems like, let's see if we can read the inscription here. To U.S. Senators and Representatives who support the Santa Fe Southern Pacific Rail merger. Oh my goodness, this is quite a few years old. I would say it's from the 70s or 80s. I'm not sure what. But it looks pretty good, doesn't it? Anthony ready to roll miniature. Let's see. It's the same box they had for years. It's 1169. That's old. That's how much they were back then. Let's check the other one. Alright, let's put that aside. All this stuff. Let's put this right here. Now for the next one, we're gonna do this. So I'll be right back. Should open the same way. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, here it is. Here's the boxcar. Right next to the other one. You can see they're quite a bit different. Let's read the instructions of this one now. Mechanical reefer. Is that what this is? Really now. "50-foot mechanical reefer." Alright, that's pretty good. Historical reference there. Now we're going to focus on this one. This one may be a little harder to open. How does this thing open? I wonder. It's going to open this way? Guess so. It's an old packet. Let's see what this says. What this is. Look at that car. Wow. Let's see if there's any instructions. Tell us what this is. There you can read the box. Evans double door plug door boxcar. Double plug door boxcar, excuse me. And we finally have this one. show up in the same way as the other cars. Another mechanical reefer, how about that? New York Central number 1000 mechanical reefer. Let's read the instructions. Let's see if we can find the instructions. Came with this. Here it is. We got 3 mechanical reefers and a boxcar. That's pretty cool. Maybe not. Just 2 boxcars and 2 mechanical reefers. If I read this right. It's a 50-foot mechanical reefer. Oops. Sorry about that. Okay, so now I'm gonna test these locomotives. I am gonna take them out of the box individually. Got that one. This is DC. Come on. This one is DC. This is DC. I think. Come on. I gotta take these a different way. We got that one. It's also DC. These 3 are DC. This one's DC. So, pretty good. I think these are DCC ready, honestly. I really think they are. Otherwise, I don't know how we got the decoder in this one. This one says it is DCC, DC, address for 3. So I'll have to test this one separately. As for the SD90, this one is also good for the DCC decoder. See? DCC with sound, address 3. So I'll have to get that a different one. So here's universal DCC sound decoder, GST, 9-pin connector. I hope it's a GST. So that's the CFX locomotive. That's a big engine, I gotta tell you. I don't know if I think, yeah, it's much longer than this C30. I think I may have broken my personal record for the longest locomotive. This one is approximately 50%, almost 40% longer than my SD40, and this locomotive right here is about as long as my SD40. So, of course, you might be saying that these 3 engines, these 3, 1, 2, 3, are the pretty much the longest locomotive I have. As you can plainly see, I got one of my locomotives out. This is the first test of this locomotive right here. I'll test the other 4 a little bit. Test number 2. This is the Stewart Hobbies F3's A-B set. As I said, I will do that locomotive and that locomotive in a separate video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you later. Bye for now.